Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So till now we have covered so many topics on Excel. Please go through my timeline and see those videos. Those videos will definitely help you in all the aspects to learn something new. And today again I'm here with the new topic that is called conditional formatting. So why conditional formatting? Why it is important? And how it is going to help you in your Excel, knowledge. So let's start that. I hope my screen is up. So here what I have, let me zoom out a bit. Okay. And let me remove few names from the bottom so that it will be visible to all in the one go. Okay. So let's say I have this particular data with me where I have the student's number in various subjects like Hindi, English, math, physics, and chemistry. These are the names. These are just the dummy names which I have given. So we are going to discuss about the conditional formatting, how we can create a heat map out of it. How can we, give this, use this particular conditional formatting to find out the duplicates. Or maybe you can give some colors as well that, okay, less than this particular number, highlight that number by this particular color. Or give some other sign as well, like up arrow, down arrow, or any color, whatever you want. So let's start. Do not waste time on this. Let's start with the conditional formatting. What I have done, I have given just the dummy names here. Maybe in a school, if you're working, or if you're working with some organization, definitely you have to give something like that. And then you represent this particular thing in a heat map format that will definitely help you and the management as well to highlight those people where the marks are less or who are the toppers. You can give the numbers as per your requirement. You have to decide the cutoffs. So let what we'll do, we have given the numbers here like this, equal to rank between 25 to 90. I gave like 25 to 90. You can give any numbers, whatever you want. 33 numbers, as you know, that is the passing mark. Below 25, they will fail. So what I will do, I will select this particular range, all the numbers which are given here. Okay, so this is very important part in a conditional formatting. The numbers which are there, you have to select them. Then go to the conditional formatting here in the drop down in the home tab. It is in the home tab, there is a conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules. This is very important part. So let's see what are the options here. Highlight cell rules greater than. I want to highlight people who are having greater than 88 numbers in any subject. I said, okay. So you can see here, it has highlighted only those numbers which are greater than 88 in any subject, in chemistry, in English. I think only in chemistry and English we have only 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 numbers are there which are greater than 88. So see, this is very easy to understand. Earlier you have a lot of data. Let's say I have only 28 students here. You can have like 2,500 students. You can highlight them and you can easily filter out them. Okay, which are the people who are having greater than 88% number. So conditional formatting will help you greater than, less than, between, equal to, or text. Sometimes we have data which is having like text or date occurring, date, duplicate values. So let's say in your data, if you have duplicate values and you click on this particular tab or this particular thing, let us click that. Let's see what will happen. If I say duplicate values, so see, so many duplicate values are there and it has highlighted everything. 65 might be repeated somewhere in this particular Excel. That's why it is highlighted. 39, 35, they are unique. 25 is unique. So nobody else got 25 numbers in any other subject. That's why only the duplicate numbers are highlighted here. How to remove this particular thing? Let's say go here and say clear rule for the selected cells. So if you click on that, all the rules will be cleared. So this is very important when you present it to the customer or present it to anyone. Just make sure that you are aware of this particular thing. Top, bottom, I already explained, means like less than, greater than. Simply you can apply for top 10 items, bottom top for 10%, bottom 10 above average. So let's say I will say, who are the students who got above average in that? So let's say click on that. I said, okay, so average is 57% something here. You can see here it is showing as 57. So greater than 57 numbers are highlighted here from the conditional formatting. So this is very important part. when you work in any project. Let's say I will clear all the rule. One more important thing which we have to discuss here, these are the icon set. Sometimes you have to set these kind of icons also. Let's say the person got greater than 33 marks should be, in the up arrow of like this green color. The person who is having 33% marks is like yellow color, or less than 33 he should have like downwards like this. So you can give these kind of icon sets in Excel, and this is very easy. Don't worry, means like you don't have to apply a lot of formulas here. You have to just go and say new rule. I want to set up a new rule here, and I say 2 color scale or a 3 color. I want the 3 color, or I want the icon sets. Basically I want the icon sets. As I told you that I want those arrows, right? Up, down, and something. So let's say I will say up arrow. So I have selected the icon here, and I selected the up arrow, and I'm saying when the value is greater than or equal to 67, and I will say number only, not the percentage. Otherwise, it will take it differently. So I will say 67 number. Okay, if the number is greater than or equal to 67, show the arrow like this. Then press tab, again tab. Here, if the number is less than 67 but greater than 33, because 33 is the passing mark. So let's say 33 and 67, in between you say yellow. So greater than 67, sorry, less than 67 and greater than or equal to 33. And when the person is getting, here also you have to do numbers only, because I am doing it for numbers. I don't want to confuse you. 67 and 33. So I have given this up arrow as green. This is yellow as in for 67 to 33 range. Then I'm saying the people who got less than 33, because they are failed, so they just show this particular kind of arrow and say okay. Very simple, right? All the 3 icons are here. You have to just define the range, what range you want. I have given it in numbers. I have not given it in the percentage. I have given it simply in numbers, and I say okay. You can give in percentage as well, but numbers I have given, so I have taken that. Let's say okay. See here what will happen. The numbers where it is less than 33, it is showing a down arrow with the red sign. The numbers which are greater than 33 and less than 67, it is showing yellow sign. The numbers where it is greater than or equal to 67, it is showing upwards green color. So this is very easy, conditional formatting thing which you can apply on your data, and your data will look beautiful. Means like if you present this particular report to someone, they can easily understand that okay, he got failed in Hindi and in physics. So at least 2 subjects he got failed because there are 2 down arrows, right? Here also he got 2 subjects failed, but see this guy A4. A4 is a topper, almost 61, 74, 82, 68, and 90 numbers. So all kind of arrows are showing there, and it is easily defined. Means like the numbers are easily defined here, that anybody can understand that okay, it is going upward direction, he is doing good. This is going in downward direction, is showing bad. Maybe 33 I have taken. You can take it anything else. Let's say I will select this particular range, go back there and say manage rules, edit rule. So you can change that as well. Let's say I want to change it to 60, because in our time 60% was the first division. So I'm saying this is the first division number, and then 60 to 45, right, is the second class, and then less than 45 is the third class. I don't care about the failures here. So only 3 categories I'm giving, and I said okay and apply and hit okay. So it's simply saying like first division, second division, and third division marks. So it has merged the fail and the third division as well. So this is the conditional formatting which you can use, for multiple purpose to showcase the graph. One more thing which is very important here, the heat map. Let's say I will go here and I say clear rules from selected cells. Okay. Now this is done. Come back here. Your cells are already selected here. Go to this conditional formatting and say color scales. You can give this kind of color, green, yellow, red. You can select this kind of color, red, yellow, green, whatever color you want. It will arrange the numbers in the forms, like lesser number will be in red, the bit higher than, means up from a certain range, from a percentile, it will show in medium color, and then the greatest number will be shown in green color. So something like that you can do as well. Let me do it this way. Okay, now I will go here and I will say manage rules, edit rules. So here it is showing for the percentile, lowest value percentile and the highest values. So minimum is showing like in this particular color, percentile of 50 is showing in the midpoint, which is in this combination of blue and red, and then the highest is in the red. So let's see whether it is following this particular pattern or not. But then so this kind of heat map will give you a clear picture of the data. So see here, 90 is in the red, 87 is in the red, 80 and 89 is in the red, 29 is in the blue, and 53 is in both the colors, basically something mixed kind of color. So this kind of heat map you can easily create out of your data by using this conditional formatting tab here. I hope this has clear your conditional formatting understanding. If not, please comment and let me know that where you feel any problem. I will definitely try to help you there. But this kind of analysis, this kind of presentation of data will definitely make things better for you. I will say clear rules from the selected cells. I want, once again I'm saying, let's say I want the new rule. I will say 3 icon sets. Again, I'm showing it to you. Why? Because I like that. Greater than or equal to 67, then it is fine. And I'm saying it in numbers. Then I'm saying when you put the yellow. So here I will give the value of 67. Sorry, I think, yeah, 67. Then press tab. And here you say 33 and less than 33. Hit OK. Here also give the numbers. Make sure that you give the numbers in both the places, otherwise it will not take. Here you give the number and say tab. See, it has already taken when less than 33. Here I will give red sign and say OK. So your data will be presented like this. I hope this thing is clear now. So conditional formatting is very important tool in any data analysis kind of thing, because you can do data analysis, then how will you represent your data? That matters basically. So please try this and like, share and subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos which will make you more pro in Excel. Thank you. Have a good day.